Imagine a world where communication takes weeks, calculations take hours, and vast information remains locked in libraries. That world was real until the brilliance of IT and computer science revolutionized everything. The transformation of modern life began with a single spark, the invention of the computer. In the 1940s, machines like ENIAC marked the dawn of programmable computing. These room-sized giants could perform thousands of calculations per second, a feat previously unimaginable. Though primitive by today's standards, they laid the groundwork for all digital progress to come. Then came a breakthrough that changed everything: the invention of the transistor in 1947. Smaller, faster, and more reliable than vacuum tubes, transistors paved the way for miniaturized circuits and modern electronics. Without them, our smartphones, laptops, and digital cameras would never exist. Fast forward to the 1960s and 70s, the birth of programming languages like Fortran, COBOL, and later C and JavaScript allowed humans to speak with machines more efficiently. These languages made it easier to write complex programs, automate tasks, and develop early software systems. Programming wasn't just a technical craft. It became the bridge between imagination and innovation. But no invention in the last century has reshaped life more dramatically than the internet. Originally created by ARPANET in the late 1960s as a military research network, the internet evolved into the global communication platform we now rely on. Email, online shopping, social networking, virtual meetings, cloud storage. None of these would be possible without the World Wide Web, introduced by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. The internet connected people, businesses, and cultures, making the world feel smaller and smarter. As computers became more accessible, so did the concept of personal computing. Thanks to visionaries like Steve Jobs and Bill Gates, the 1980s and 90s saw the rise of user-friendly interfaces, word processors, spreadsheets, and graphic tools. Suddenly, digital literacy became essential, not just for scientists, but for students, teachers, professionals, and artists alike. Enter the era of mobile computing and smartphones. With the launch of the iPhone in 2007, computing left the desktop and entered our palms. Now we could navigate cities, manage finances, record HD videos, connect on social media, and access global knowledge. Anytime, anywhere. Our lives became faster, more connected, and infinitely more dynamic. But the discoveries didn't stop there. The rise of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, has begun to reshape every industry. From personalized recommendations on Netflix to self-driving cars and AI medical diagnostics, algorithms now learn from data, detect patterns, and make decisions, often more efficiently than humans. The combination of vast computing power and big data has turned machines into powerful assistants in our daily lives. Meanwhile, cloud computing eliminated the need for local storage and physical infrastructure. Services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and AWS allow individuals and companies to store, access, and process data globally. This innovation democratized access to technology, enabling startups and students alike to build, test, and launch digital solutions without massive upfront costs. In parallel, cybersecurity evolved to protect our digital identity. As cyber threats grew, so did encryption, firewalls, and ethical hacking, all of which ensure that our data, bank details, and communications remain safe in the digital world. Let's not forget the power of open-source software. Initiatives like Linux, Python, and GitHub created global communities of developers who share, collaborate, and innovate together. This spirit of collective knowledge has led to thousands of breakthroughs, from scientific research to cutting-edge applications in education and healthcare. Today, blockchain technology promises a new level of transparency and trust. It's transforming finance, supply chains, and even voting systems. While cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin get the headlines, the real innovation lies in decentralized systems that reduce the need for middlemen and bring power to the user. Every discovery in IT and computer science, whether it's an algorithm, a piece of hardware, or a network protocol, has acted like a ripple in a pond. Together, these ripples have created waves of transformation across industries, lifestyles, and cultures. So the next time you unlock your phone with facial recognition, stream a movie in 4K, or get a ride with a tap on your screen, remember that behind that convenience is a long chain of discovery, decades in the making. From binary code to artificial intelligence, from room-sized computers to quantum chips, IT and computer science have not just changed modern life. They have redefined what's possible.